Ever wonder what is the best Gentec-EO display to look at your data or acquisition? This is the video for you. Hello, my name is Charles Dumas from Gentec-EO, your partner for accuracy, and welcome to Gentec-EO Academia. Today, what we'll cover is all the display that we have available for you so you can look at your data. The first way that you can look at your data is from an oscilloscope when you look at the straight analog output of your power meter or energy meter. But today, we're not going to talk about this, we're going to talk about all the display. First, the display or meter that we have to present is the Miro. The Miro is a high-end touchscreen that can do everything. So it can take energy meter, power meter, it can take long time acquisition, and you can apply correction factor, you can save the data, you can connect it to Ethernet as a remote device, you can connect it to your computer as a remote device. There's different port like USB and different way to recharge it with USB-C or the barrel jack that we have here. After that, there's different display mode that you can zoom in or zoom out. After that, there's pretty much everything that you can do with this one. If you don't have the space but you want to have all the same feature, then you can go with the touchscreen Maestro display that we have that offer all the same feature that the high-end display got with a more basic touchscreen, but it got a smaller footprint, so this can be very useful if you have a very crowded optical table. So same thing here, you can connect it to your computer, RS-232, USB, Ethernet, and save the data. It can take energy meter same way as the Miro. These two are very good for R&D or research or everyone that need to have any kind of display. But if you want to go a little bit lower, let's say for service, after sales team, or on the tabletop of your manufacturing team, there's the tuner here that got a needle that is very good for optical alignment that you can set up everything with this one. And there's another one that got the same form factor, which is the UNO, which is only digit only, very basic but very economical solution to get your data reading. Those two got a way that you can recharge them on the table, but the battery lasts for months, so you don't have to worry about that. Then what we have next are the, not a display, but we call them monitor or interface to computer, which are pretty much all packaged in a box of different size. This one is the S-Link, which is the solution that you need to take when you have an energy meter and you want to connect it with Ethernet. So this is where the solution that you need to go on a fail-proof 24 hours, 7 days, month, years solution that you want to monitor on a very long distance, since the Ethernet does not have limitation on the cable length. After that, we have the P-Link or U-Link that offer you the same kind of analog to digital interface with the DB15 connector. And those two are very good if you want to have USB or RS-232 connection. The same can be offered if you want to have everything packaged on a single device with Integra. Now, it's not a display as it is, nor it's not a monitor, but since it's a packaged solution to look at your data, this is something that you need to consider as direct USB connection for power meter, photodiode, energy meters, or RS-232 that can offer with a DB9 connector that can be powered after that. So this is the solution to go if you want to integrate your solution, integrate a power meter inside a laser system. Another display that is not a display, but is a very good solution to consider, it is the Blue. The Blue is the same as the electronic as the inside the Integra, but packaged with a battery-powered Bluetooth device, so you can look at your power of your device. So the display is your phone or your laptop computer that is located next to the optical table that is very crowded. Finally, we have the all-in-one solution with a display that is located on the device itself. Here we have the Pronto that got the reading on the device itself that let you do the reading. This is the best solution for after-sales service or the first power meter that you buy if you want to do some basic measurement. So from all the solutions that we have, there's a display for you. You basically just need to know what is your need. From R&D, research, to manufacturing, to after-sales service, there's a solution for you.